what's up mga karonda? This is Kay Paris, ang siklista ng Pilipinas, Pangasinan for today's ride. Solo ride ulit tayo and subukan din nating umahon sa Mount Seymour dito sa North Vancouver. And yeah, solo ride. So if you're here around North Vancouver, you can join me on my rides as well. And tara guys, I hope na hindi tayo mawala sa ride natin kasi late na rin ako nag-ride out, 2:37 PM. Kasi nakapag-church pa and all of those stuff. So at least maganda yung weather, mahangin, pero okay naman, cooler yung weather. Balot lang ako kasi bilis kong ma-sunburn dito, as in. Pero okay rin naman, kasi bundok nga tayo. So tara guys, let's go for a ride today. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell button for updates ng videos ko. Let's go! So let's go on a solo ride in Mount Seymour Parkway and a mountain hike climb here in North Vancouver, which takes almost an hour kasi 12.1 kilometer road siya with 921 meters of elevation gain. But I don't know if kaya ko to guys kasi ngayon na lang ulit tayo gagala and syempre solo ride. So baka mawala ulit tayo, hindi natin sure, di ba? And usually kasi nakarely lang ako sa Waze and sa mga bike path, which is very accessible dito sa North Vancouver. At kung makikita nyo yung ruta natin, plain pa lang siya ngayon pero maya aahon tayo. At medyo na-miss ko din naman ang Baguio when it comes sa ahon. Kasi ang favorite road ko sa Pinas ay Baguio City via Cannon Road at Marcos Highway. And sa UAE naman, favorite road ko, of course, yung Jebel Hafid, kung saan ginaganap yung Tour de UAE and kung saan nagkakaroon ng mga karera din. So ngayon, flat muna and select lang tayo dun sa ruta na may bike lane. Kung titingnan nyo dito guys, nasa opposite line ako kasi nga galing akong house. So dito muna ako dumaan and lilipat din tayo sa kabilang lane later on. Masaya lang kasi kahit na solo ride tayo, you will never feel alone kasi maraming nakakasabay mag-ride. Either road bike, gravel bike, mountain bike, or electric bike. At saka mga bikes din na kinakarga yung mga anak nila ha. Very patok yan dito sa Canada. And with that guys, napaka-inspiring lang din mag-ride kasi kahit anong oras pwede ako mag-ride out. Hindi ganun kainit. And kagaya sa UAE kasi sobrang init. So, yung ruta natin guys, Mount Seymour, meaning it's a mountain and it's ahon. Tayo lang natin. Very steep daw sabi sa Google Maps. I hope hindi tayo kumalas. Hinihingal na ako. Oh, goodness. This is so weak. Kakalas ba? Para akong maahon ng Baguio na banayad. Ito yung ruta guys. So guys, yung ruta natin na Mount Seymour Parkway is mountain view scenery with forests, lakes, and hiking trails and beautiful viewpoints overlooking the lower mainland. And honestly, even before reaching the top, the road itself is already an adventure. Since I'm still new to riding these roads around North Vancouver, I'm learning little by little. My first solo rides were almost figuring out the roads. Now I'm starting to explore further. And maybe getting lost isn't always a bad thing kasi I'm discovering a lot of things. And sometimes you discover places you wouldn't have seen otherwise, diba? And ayun na nga mga karonda, the funny thing about cycling in a new place is that sometimes you feel confident sa GPS na going to this way. And then suddenly you're asking yourself, wait, nasan na nga ba ako? And syempre guys, sunod-sunod lang tayo sa nasa harap natin. Since cycling area nga itong place ko sa North Vancouver, there's a lot of cyclists. So pwede tayong sumunod sa mga nasa harap natin. And syempre, friendly din naman itong mga cyclists na to. And una kong tinitignan yung wheels nila. Kasi yung tire ko, syempre, slick tire siya. So, pang road bike talaga. And marami din naman naka-gravel bike, mountain bike dito. Pero yung tire talaga yung tinitingnan ko. Kasi kahit na naka-fine or carbon road bike sila, kahit na wheelset nila, alam mo yun, slick talaga. Talagang binabike nila kahit sa bako-bako, kahit sa mga mababatong places, binabike pa rin nila. And makikita mo yung nasa harap ko yung dalawang couple. Talagang, teka lang, tama ba tong place na to? Pero sumusunod lang talaga ako sa kanila, guys. Babalik na pala. So yung daan pala dito, merong trail. Ewan ko, susundan ko na lang yung mga yon. Let's go, guys. Ah, daming turista ngayon kasi it's Sunday. But it's alright, maraming kasabay. Sana kayanin ko. Uphill road. Good luck sa akin. So dito sa Vancouver area, marami tayong trail areas and marami ding rules kasi may mga wildlife tayo. So maintain natin talaga yung cleanliness ng area and normal lang na merong mga bears and other wildlife. Be bear aware. Cyclists and trail area. Yan guys. Whew. So may two ways tayo because we're using road bike with a slick tire. I'm gonna go to this way na medyo okay, patang. Kasi merong way na para sa mountain bike. So it's not wrong path, pero wrong bike ako. It's wrong bike. My goodness. But ang dami ko nakitang nag-road bike in fairness. Ayun, yung mga mountain bike. Dami nila. Ako ay maglalakad muna kasi hindi ko alam pag na-flat tong bike ko, hindi ko alam kung paano ako uuwi guys. Ang dala lang natin pump, you know yung pump natin. So what I just brought with me is of course my phone at saka yung pump ko, Cyc Plus. So I'm using Cyc Plus guys. If you want to purchase one, you can click on my description box below and may discount code ako dyan. So, I'm using this very good Pro. So, it's my lightweight pump here. I'm using it every ride. Hindi ko alam, pump lang siguro. Sana hindi ako ma-flatan ng bike. Go. Okay, let's discover places here. Aming nag-hike. May picnic grounds din, no? Siyempre. Alam ko kung dito ba tayo or dito. We're going this way. Okay. That way. Then going this way. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Where are we going, guys? Ng daan. I mean, ang ganda ng place. Though may mga trail area lang siya, pero okay na din. Maraming nagbabike dito. Tayo may sasakyan ah. Ang ganda. Wala akong masabi kundi nakaka-relax siya. And nice. Here's a little story about Mount Seymour. It became a provincial park in 1936 and it was named after Frederick Seymour, who was the governor of British Columbia in the 1800s. So, makikita mo dito na marami talagang park dito sa British Columbia wherein hindi mo na nga makount. And during summer, there's a lot of opportunities to go for hiking, trails, running, cycling, and even a lot of things to discover pa. And even with wildlife. Alam niyo yung amazing dito sa Canada is when you see that nakikita mo talaga kung saan napupunta yung tax mo. Kahit na malaki yung tax, pero na-enjoy mo naman yung places that you could never imagine na pwedeng mapuntahan through your bike. And it's a paved way, ha? And in this road, I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm just following GPS. And kung makikita niyo yung way na to, accessible naman siya for bike. And I'm enjoying it actually. So guys, I think I'm lost now. I don't know where am I going, pero ang daming ruta dito guys. Tingnan mo naman no. Out of nowhere, solar ride, tas parang ang ano dito, biglang may sumulpot. Ayun na nga, marami pa rin palang talaga nagbabike dito. Kailangan ko lang ingatan kasi may mga wild bears, yung mga bears dito na kailangan nating ingatan. And syempre, wag pansinin para hindi tayo i-attack. So, let's go. Find the route and just discover the place here. So, actually, nasa Seymour na tayo. Mount Seymour na tayo. And may kita mo mataas na nga to kasi puro downhill, uphill na yung ruta ko. And di ko na alam kung saan ako pupunta. Basta I'm just following the route. Let's go, guys. Yes! So, dito tayo galing. Lusong. Yan, may lumulusong na isa. Tapos, lalabas tayo dito. I don't know kung saan na to. Pero, highway. Ang si Krista. Lost in the jungle. And now we're out sa jungle. Now we're getting here sa highway. And this is where I really start paying attention kasi there's more traffic around this area. So I'm slowing down, checking signs, and making sure I'm following the correct cycling road. So when you're riding somewhere unfamiliar, you really can't just focus on the destination. You have to pay attention to what's happening around you for safety na rin. And then, here comes the moment where I start questioning my life choices na naman. Ito ba yung tamang rota? Kasi kahit mawala ako dito sa Canada, at least kahit papano may load ako na pwede kong ma-search na kung saan ako uuwi, diba? And am I supposed to turn here or am I about to get lost again? And yes, lost na nga talaga tayo, but thank God may mapa na ma-check. And nandito na tayo ulit papunta ng main highway, which is fast face na yung mga sasakyan dito. Pero syempre may route pa rin for walking and cycling. Interesting lang talaga yung place kasi kahit dito sa river area na to, may mga nagsusweeping. Pero malinis yan kasi mountain area nga dito. So, may mga nagsuswimming ako nakita and yun yung ruta natin. Hindi ko din alam kung paano tayo makakalusot dito, pero let's check it on. So guys, andito na ako sa kalagitnaan ng highway, pero hindi siya gitna. May shared lane pa rin dito sa cyclists and quarter runners. And ang dami talaga ang trail. Parang kahit saan pa sikot-sikot, hindi ka babalik sa pinanggalingan ko. Kanina I thought, babalik pa ako sa ahon. Pero, ang dami na. Look. Highway. You know guys, I'm so thankful that I'm here in North Vancouver. Kasi it's actually a really interesting place to explore by bike. You have the city, residential neighborhoods, busy roads, forests, and then the mountains all in the same area coming from much more urban environment. I really enjoy how quickly the scenery changes here. At saka na-enjoy ko kasi freedom talaga ang magbike. And ayun na guys, pauwi na tayo. Nakita ko na yung mountain place which is near home. And I'm so glad na safe tayo. So, every ride, I'm still praying that for safety. So, kung nag-ride man kayo solo, pray for safety always. So that's it guys, nakauwi na ako. Grabe din yung ruta, hindi mo din masabi na patag, ganun. Kasi big siya, patag, ahon, gravel, plain. Kahit yung ruta ko, parang kailangan talaga gravel bike na lang. Wrong bike eh, hindi dapat, ano mo, hindi dapat siya road cycling. I mean, you know, dapat pala hindi road bike pero ang gamit dapat mountain bike or gravel bike, mas better. Tulo ng buhok ko. So ayun, ang dami kong na-discover pero so far so good sa experience, and importante safe tayo tsaka hindi tayo masyadong alam mo yun, nabudol, pero talagang budol kasi mix yung daan. So yan ang ating ruta for today, Mount Seymour. So I hope that at some point pa rin, makakapag-bike pa rin tayo in the next few days and ma-discover pa natin ang Vancouver area dito sa Canada. And ayan guys, I hope that you've enjoyed my ride today. Shout out to my teammates in UAE 24cc, and of course sa aking gears today, I'm using Ultrahuman Ring Air. Ito yun guys, Ultrahuman Ring Air. If you want to purchase one, you can click on my description box below. Use my code there, discount code ULTRAGAY for the Shopee, and of course I have a link there for you to purchase on their website itself. So this is a smart ring which can navigate your sleep quality and your steps, your heart rate. They will give you some information about breathing and all stuff. So it's worth it to buy one of your smart ring if you're not using your smartwatch. This is a good way to track all your sleep quality kasi mas slick siya. And ginagamit ko na din siya sa work kasi para makita ko kung na-stress ba or whatever. And sa pag natutulog kasi hindi na kailangang magkaroon ng alam mo yung smartwatch for you to have your track your sleep kasi this is one slick na siya and lightweight lang siya. And of course, water resistant din siya for certain meters. So click on my description box below and purchase one of this. I'm using the rose gold size 6. Ayan. So ciao guys, see you again on my next ride. I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe, and click my notification bell button for more updates and videos. God bless.